Hello, this is Subodh sir, Director, Subodh Law Classes, Ranchi. Now, CLAT result 2021 is out, and from this coaching, Chaitanya has secured All India 52nd rank. He has got 106 marks. Now, he is a very hard working student, and he has been rewarded for his hard work which he has been doing for the past 2 years. Congratulations on your grand success.
Thank you, sir.
So, how are you feeling after this grand success?
So I'm very happy. It is beyond my dreams, and I owe a lot to your blessings and guidance, to the guidance of my teachers, to the blessings of my elders, and to the grace of God.
Okay, that's very nice. So, must be very delighted,
Yes, sir.
very happy,
Yes, sir.
enthusiastic,
Yes, sir.
going to one of the best law schools of India.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay, that's very nice. It's all grace of God, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how do you find this passage-based exam of CLAT? Because it's different from what we used to have in the past. So, how do you find this passage-based exam?
So since 2020, CLAT turned to a new syllabus, which is entirely passage-based.
Right.
They ask RCs, they ask critical reasoning questions. So in these questions, you firstly need to have a proper reading speed and comprehensional abilities. That is, you should comprehend properly what you read and answer the questions accordingly. And also you need some prior knowledge of some concepts and familiarity, like the tone of author, like strengthening, weakening questions. And by familiarity, I mean you should have some familiarity with the theme. Like they ask a question on fiction and you have never read a fiction, so you may be taken aback. They ask a passage on philosophy, you don't know anything about it, or you are not even familiar. So please do some a bit of diverse reading, and that will help.
Okay, that's excellent. So, he has given a very nice knowledge that even if you don't know something, you be a voracious reader and try to be very reasonable on the day of exam and try to find out the answer very quickly, and that will pave the way for success in the examination. Now, whatever GK and current affairs we gave, apart from that, did you adopt any other strategy for success in the field of GK and current affairs?
So for the field of GK and current affairs, firstly we need to know about the type of questions they ask.
Right.
CLAT asks around 7 to 8 topics from GK and current affairs and 5 questions from each topic. So the consortium demands in-depth knowledge on every topic, and these topics are mostly important news topics. So firstly, newspaper reading is imperative. Make notes on the important current affairs points which you get from reading newspapers and constantly revise them. Then get a good monthly supplement. It may be a good current affairs magazine or any current affairs supplement released by any institute. That will really help.
Okay. So he is saying that for GK and current affairs, you need to have in-depth knowledge. You have to study very deeply, because when passage is there, and after that when they are asking questions, it can be connected to anything. So in that way, it's not that if you are well aware with current affairs of last 1 year, that will suffice. It's not that. Along with that, you should have that what is known as connecting link. That is very important.
Yes.
That connecting link is very important, and that you must know in order to get good marks in the field of GK and current affairs. Now, how did you prepare for legal section? After being taught in the class, did you find it damn easy?
So, sir taught all the laws very well. Sir has an unmatchable knowledge in legal reasoning, I must say. सर ने जैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पढ़ा है, क्रिमिनल लॉ पढ़ा है, टॉर्ट्स पढ़ा है. कुछ क्वेश्चंस तो इस बार कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से बहुत आए थे, तो they were really easy. I just have to go through the passage once and just jump to the questions. So yes, but in addition to this, आपको खुद से भी कुछ करना है. जैसे न्यूज़पेपर में आपको कई बार करंट लीगल टॉपिक्स दिखेंगे, कुछ लीगल न्यूज़ चल रही है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर CLAT and especially ALET. Like in CLAT 2020, a passage on polluter pays principle was asked after the LG polymer gas leak case. So a little bit of such awareness can help really.
Okay, that's really good. So he's saying that along with studying law of contract, law of torts, constitution, IPC, one should also pay attention to legal current affairs which is going on, and that you must grasp very nicely in order to understand things better. Now, so what difference you find between CLAT exam and other law exams that we have in India?
So as I said, since 2020, CLAT has turned to a lot of reading intensive one. It has become a reading intensive paper, whereas other law entrance tests may or may not require a lot of reading. They ask all types of questions. But one thing should be noted, that the concepts which you require in other law entrance tests can directly or indirectly help in CLAT preparation, like vocabulary, grammar, and these things can help in reading the passages as well and understanding them and so on. Some last year, in fact 2020 में CLAT ने एक पजल पूछा था रीजनिंग में, एक ही मार्क्स का था, लेकिन वो एक पजल आया था जो कि नॉर्मली अदर लॉ एंट्रेंस टेस्ट पूछता है.
Okay, that's very good. Now, those students who are preparing for CLAT exam and other law exams, with regards to CLAT exam, what a specific message you want to give?
So मैं उन्हें कुछ मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि फर्स्टली आप स्ट्रैटेजी बनाएं. आपके पास 5 सेक्शन है, कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे आप अपने वीकली गोल्स को सेट करिए एंड कन्वर्ट दोस वीकली गोल्स इनटू डेली टारगेट्स एंड डोंट मेक देम टू एग्जॉस्टिव. 3 subjects a day is really good. Yes, do current affairs and maths every day. Solve a lot of mocks and yes, analyze them, because a mock not analyzed is a mock wasted. Mock analysis से आपको पता चलेगा कि आप कौन से questions में weak हो, कौन से सेक्शन में वीक हो, एंड फिर आगे आप अपने फिर स्ट्रैटेजी को रिवाइज कर सकते हो कि हम उन वीकर एरियाज़ को टारगेट करें. एंड लास्टली, प्लीज़ हैव फेथ ऑन यू, प्लीज़ हैव फेथ ऑन योर कर्मा. आप मेहनत करोगे तो रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. डोंट थिंक कि यार ऐसे तो हो, वैसे हाँ रिजल्ट्स पे फोकस करना है, बट कर्मा इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड जस्ट वन लास्ट टिप, दैट इट इज़ अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. द क्वेश्चन वेदर ईजी, हार्ड और डिफ़िकल्ट कैरी द सेम मार्क्स. आप डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन में टाइम वेस्ट करना है आपको, या उसे लीव करके ईजी क्वेश्चन में मूव ऑन करना है. यू आर द बेस्ट जज.
Okay, that's very fine. So he has given excellent advice. Now, do you think कि somebody जो CLAT नहीं complete कर पाए, that doesn't mean that doors are closed.
Yes.
Still there are many doors.
Yes, sir.
We have many other good law exams in India. We have NLU Delhi, we have Symbiosis, we have Maharashtra CET. So sometimes it can happen कि कुछ कारण से हो सकता है CLAT में आपका ना हो. So all these exams are there, which are equally very good. So do you think that a student should not get discouraged simply because they have not completed CLAT exams, and they should try for other exams?
Yes, sir. In fact, getting an NLU is not an end in itself. It's just a start of, it's just a stepping step in your legal career. Not all good lawyers are from NLUs. Gandhi ji, Abraham Lincoln, a lot of people. Yes, NLUs तो कुछ ही साल पहले स्टार्ट हुए. कितने सारे सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजेस है, थोड़े जो सब लोग NLU से आते हैं. एंड यस, NLU विल गिव यू एन एनवायरनमेंट, बट आप बाकी कॉलेजेस में जाओगे तो लगेगा कि भाई मुझे ये भी तो प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट दे रहा है, प्रॉपर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे रहा है. एंड यस, इट्स नॉट दैट आपको NLU ही एक ग्रोथ की अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा. आप उस 5 years को कैसे यूज़ करेंगे, दैट आई फील विल बी द डिटरमाइनिंग फैक्टर.
Okay, that's very good. So what do you want to do after completing law?
So as of now I am still a little bit unsure. फर्स्टली तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि लॉ स्कूल जाऊँगा, लॉ के अलग अलग फील्ड्स के बारे में देखूँगा, कहाँ मेरा इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा जा रहा है या कहाँ मेरा एप्टीट्यूड ज़्यादा जा रहा है, उसके हिसाब से मैं आगे डिसाइड करना चाहता हूँ.
That was excellent. So let me tell you, Chaitanya's elder sister Aishwarya Agrawal was also a student of this coaching institute. In 2014, she got wonderful rank 288 All India, and after that, once she completed her 5-year LLB course, she cracked Rajasthan Judicial Service Examination, getting 29th rank all over India. Now, is it true that you got inspired by her?
Sir, she had a big role to play. कि छोटे से देखता था दीदी भी बड़ी हो रही है, CLAT दे रही है.
Right.
CLAT एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एग्ज़ाम लगता तो था, बट हाँ इतना नहीं सोचा था कि उनके फुट स्टेप्स को मैं ही जाऊँगा. एंड येस, आई विल गो टू एन NLU, इतना तो नहीं सोचा था, बट येस, शी हैड अ बिग इम्पैक्ट.
Okay.
शी इज़ एन इंस्पिरेशन इन फैक्ट.
Now, please advise all those students who are aspiring for CLAT exam. Now, apart from studying in the coaching, how many hours minimum they should invest every day? What was your experience?
Honestly, मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे पाता था. अराउंड ऑन एन एवरेज 3 to 4 hours रहते थे मेरा स्टडी टाइम. कभी कभी 6 आवर्स टच करते थे, बट हाँ, व्हाट आई फील इज़ कि आप जो टाइम पढ़ रहे हो उसमें आपका बेस्ट रिटर्न्स मिलना चाहिए, योर क्वालिटी ऑफ स्टडी शुड बी गुड। आप अपने वीकर एरियाज़ पे जितना इम्प्रूवमेंट करेंगे उतना ही आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट देगा, क्योंकि योर वीकर एरिया इज़ योर एंटायर मार्क्स डिपेंड ऑन योर वीकर एरिया, दे कैन ईदर मेक यू और ब्रेक यू। सो क्वालिटी इज़ आई फील रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। हाँ, बट क्वांटिटी भी होना है, क्वांटिटी लेकिन करते करते आ जाती है।
Okay, that's very good. So, which area was very strong for you? In which area you used to score a lot in mock test and all?
Regularly in mock tests, English and critical reasoning were my easiest areas. I used to complete the section in around 25 to 27 minutes, and yes, I did so even in CLAT. So yes, that was my easiest area.
Okay. And which was your weaker area?
So my weakest area in the mocks was legal reasoning section. A lot of times I used to get stuck between two options. One went with facts, one went with legal knowledge, or both went with legal knowledge, one more, one less. हाँ, बट एनालाइज करते करते समझ आया, एंड यस आई फील कि अभी जो क्लैट में मेरा स्कोर है इसमें लीगल सेक्शन का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है।
So finally the area which was little weaker, that has actually helped you to get this best rank.
Yes sir,
So
definitely.
that was like blessing in disguise.
Yes sir.
And that actually helped you to get very good marks.
Yes sir.
So thank you so much.
Thank you sir. I
Thank you
should
so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much for giving this interview, for giving tips to those candidates who are aspiring for CLAT exam, and hope you will continue that tempo of hard work. Hope you will do, you will maintain that sincerity, and you will do very good in the days to come. My good wishes are there with you, and I hope once you become a judicial officer or a bureaucrat, you'll give your best to the society, and you'll work for the downtrodden, for poor people of the society. So Chaitanya, may God bless you. Thank you so much. God has rewarded you for your hard work. Please maintain that tempo of hard work. Thank you so much.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
Thank you.